Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another video. This time it's gonna be a review as I promised a while ago. I will have some lipsticks and because I have three different brands I will put each one in a different video because I don't want to make the videos too long. So in this video I will have the Marc Jacobs set, is this one, and probably you saw this one recently on one of my hauls. This one is Make Your Le Mec. It's 3-piece travel size liquid lip crayon set. They look like this, and those are the three shades that are in here. They come in this plastic holder, and let's see what we have in here. I will leave the link down below as usual if you wanna check them. This is a kit that I got from Sephora, and this is the size of those. I think even for a travel size it's a huge one, at least for me, because lip products are the products that is at least for me it's very hard to use them. So let's see the first one in here. This one is called Night Mauve. It's in the shade 311 or 310, it doesn't matter. I will leave anyway them down below. So let's see the shade of this one. Here is the shade of this. I will swatch them first on my hand. First impression, it's very creamy, which I love. And I have in my samples of the week for this week another product from Marc Jacobs, and I was well impressed. I said I got a good impression for the formula of and it seems like all the products for Marc Jacobs, because I didn't try many of them, but so far what I liked, what I saw from what I tried, they are very creamy, which I really like. So let's see how this one looks on my lips. I remarked that when I'm applying the lipstick on my hand, it has a color. When I'm looking in the camera for what you see, it's a different shade. So don't count 100% of the shade, because they will look totally different on your lips with your skin tone. So but just as a first impression, I will swatch those for you. And I have my mini tiny Birchbox mirror. I don't know where I have the other one, but I'll try to use this one for this video. As I said before, it's so easy to apply them. So you can go back and forth how many times you want. It's very creamy, applies very easy. Here is the color of this one. I'm not sure if you can see very well because I'm far from the camera, but I hope you can see the color. I do like this color. Looks like it has a little bit sheen on this one. I do like the formula of this one. It's an everyday color, I would say, for me. So far I like this one, and being a pencil crayon type, you can feel very easy in the corners, and actually do like use it as a liner in the same time. So I like this one, and being such a creamy product, probably I will be able to finish this somehow. We'll see about that. The next one, and let me remove this one. As I said before, I'm trying to find a good editing program for my videos, but so far I didn't find anything that I like. If you have any suggestion about that, please let me know in the comments down below, because so far I'm using two more programs right now, and not even one of them it's able to do that was the name of that, to go with the video, to speed actually the video, so you need to accept the idea that I need a little bit time to remove them and to apply another one. But as I said, if you know a great editing program, let me know, no matter how much is it's that to pay, because sometimes, especially when you're editing so many videos as me, it's well worth it to buy a good one. As I said, I have the single problem that I have with them is the speeding time. I have that option, but you're gonna see some animate even with 1% higher, so whatever. So let's remove this one. And of course I'm removing some of my foundation around my mouth. Apologize for that. Let's see the second one, and the second one is called, where is the name of this one? Plum-ingated. So here is the shade of this one, and let me swatch this one. Ooh, I have a hair here. Here is the shade of this one. So it's a beautiful shade, but it's not the one that I usually wear. And also it's very easy to go more than on your lips. So far, here is the shade for this one. I do like the color. I hope at least on my hand you can see the sheen or the shine, if I can say, or on those lipsticks, which I like. So here is the second one. I would say a very bold color for me, but so far I like the color. Probably when somebody else will look amazing, and it's of course creamy as the other one, pretty nice. Let's see the third one, how that looks. So far, as I said, I do like the formula of them. It takes a while to remove that because it gets everywhere. So let's see the next one, and I apologize for the time spending between them. And here is a nude, like a dark brown. So let's see how this one looks. So here is the third shade, because I used to wear just light nudes. I'm not used to wear this color, but many of you told me that you prefer dark colors than light ones. So far this is the last one. as first impression for them, I do like them. I like the formula. I like the way they apply. It's easy to apply them, to use them as a lip pencil contour, to contour your lips, and also then to fill in. Applies very easy. All you need is a very light hand, as I remark with the eye product that I have in my samples of the week, because you don't need to go back and forth many times. You can line your lips also, and those are colors that some of you might enjoy wearing. So I will I will I will use those, of course. I will try to find from Marc Jacobs a different one or two shades, a little bit lighter than those two. In the meantime, you let me know what do you think about the colors, what do you think about the brand, because I like to hear your opinion about those products, about the items that I have in my videos. What do you feel about them? And that's kind of all I think for today. As I said, let me know in the comments down below what do you think about those three lipsticks. I will see you very soon with I don't know which is gonna be next, the Poor Kit or the Anastasia Beverly Hills 2 lipstick kits. We'll see which one comes first. I will film the two of them. We'll see in which order I will post them. So in the meantime, you have an amazing day. I will see you very soon, guys, with another review or another video anyway. You have a blessed day. See you soon. Bye bye.